Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Health benefits of Angus beef. Angus beef isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients that support muscle growth, energy and overall health. While some worry about red meat, high-quality Angus offers a balanced mix of protein, vitamins and minerals. Let's break down why it's a smart choice for a protein-rich diet. Nutritional profile. Angus beef is a powerhouse of essential nutrients. A 3-ounce serving about the size of a deck of cards provides protein. 25 grams, almost half the daily need for an average adult. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and immune function. Iron. 2.5 milligrams, 14% of daily value. Unlike plant-based iron, the heme iron in beef is easily absorbed, fighting fatigue and improving oxygen flow. Zinc. 5.3 milligrams, 48% divide. Key for metabolism, wound healing, and a strong immune system. B vitamins. Especially B12, 2.4 micrograms, 100% divide, which supports nerve health and energy levels. How does it stack up against other proteins? Chicken breast. Leaner but lacks iron and B12. Salmon. Rich in omega-3s but lower in zinc and iron. Plant-based proteins, for example, lentils, need combining for complete amino acids, and iron absorption is less efficient. The fat in Angus isn't just empty calories, it includes heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, similar to those in olive oil. Moderation and balanced diet. Like any protein, Angus beef shines when eaten mindfully. Here's how to enjoy it without overdoing it. Portion control. Stick to 3 to 4 ounces per meal. Pair it with fiber-rich sides like roasted Brussels sprouts or quinoa to balance the plate. Leaner cuts. Filet mignon or sirloin have less marbling but still deliver flavor and nutrients. Save ribeyes for occasional indulgence. Cooking methods. Grilling or broiling lets excess fat drip off. Skip heavy sauces, opt for herb rubs or citrus zest instead. Red meat misconceptions. Studies show that unprocessed red meat like fresh Angus steak doesn't carry the same risks as processed meats, bacon, sausages. Quality matters. Grass-fed Angus offers more omega-3s, but grain-finished still delivers solid nutrition. The bottom line. Angus beef fits into a healthy diet when you focus on quality, portions, and variety. Use it as a flavorful anchor for meals, not the only star. Sustainable practices in Angus beef farming. Today's Angus beef farming isn't just about quality, it's about responsibility. Ranchers focus on methods that protect animal welfare, conserve resources, and reduce environmental impact. From feed choices to land management, sustainability plays a key role in producing the steaks you love. Grass-fed versus grain-fed Angus beef. The debate between grass-fed and grain-fed beef goes beyond taste. Each method affects nutrition, environmental impact, and even how cattle are raised. Grass-fed Angus beef. Cattle graze on pasture their entire lives, eating native grasses and forage. The meat tends to be leaner, with a slightly earthy, robust flavor. Higher in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants like vitamin E. Lower carbon footprint if managed well, since pastures can sequester carbon. Grain-fed Angus beef. Cattle start on grass but switch to grain corn, soy or barley for the last few months. Creates more marbling, leading to buttery, tender steaks. Higher in monounsaturated fats, the good fats due to grain finishing. Requires more resources like water and feed, but can be done sustainably with efficient practices. Consumer trends. While grass-fed appeals to health-conscious buyers, grain-fed remains popular for its rich flavor. Some ranchers blend both methods, grass-fed for environmental benefits, then a short grain finish for marbling. Ethical farming and animal welfare. Humane treatment matters. Ethical Angus producers prioritize stress-free living conditions, which also improve meat quality. Key practices include pasture access. Cattle roam freely instead of being confined in crowded feedlots. Health monitoring. Regular vet care and low-stress handling keep animals healthy. No added hormones. Many farms avoid artificial growth promoters, relying instead on natural genetics and nutrition. Certifications to look for. Certified Humane. Ensures animals have space, clean water, and proper diets. Global Animal Partnership GAP. Rates farms on a 5-step scale for welfare standards. American Grassfed. Guarantees 100% grass-fed diets and pasture access. A well-raised Angus steer isn't just healthier, it produces better meat. Stress tightens muscles, so calm cattle yield more tender cuts. Whether grass-fed or grain-finished, sustainable Angus farming means better beef from happier herds. Next time you buy, check labels for these ethical and eco-friendly markers. Angus beef steak is a cut above the rest, rich, tender, and packed with flavor. Its fine marbling and careful breeding make every bite memorable, whether grilled, seared, or sous vide. You don't need to be a chef to appreciate the difference. Try a ribeye for exceptional richness or a fillet for melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Experiment with simple seasoning and precise cooking to let the beef shine. Once you taste it, you'll understand why Angus is a staple in top steakhouses and home kitchens alike. What's your favorite way to enjoy Angus beef? Share your go-to recipes or dining experiences in the comments below. Let's continue with more tips and tricks on cooking Angus beef steak to bring out the best flavor. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.